I don't know if I got it on camera or not, but there was a road runner. I've never seen one so big. It looked like a chicken, the size of a chicken. Well, I'm going now to see how the submissions, if it's going to pass or not. I still got a faint smell of gas when I'm stopped. So I'm not thinking that it's going to pass, but I don't know how it works in Arizona. Also, I'm glad I left quartzite when I did, because as it turns out, I read on it, or saw it on a YouTube, quartzite is out of water and propane. Like, their reservoir ran dry, and there's all kind of people like trying to figure out what to do about getting water and propane. So I guess I left at the right time. Well, that took all of 5 minutes, and it passed. Now I have to go to the motor vehicle division to show them that it passed, so I can get my permanent license plate, so that I can go to South Dakota and switch it over all over again to South Dakota. Yeah, I can keep this for a year, I think, though, here. Well, that was another painless thing. I ended up getting a 2-year registration, and the reason is because it was $31 for 1 year registration and $45 for 2 years. Now, of course, I went for the 2 years. It's weird in Arizona, they don't give you a title, like a paper title. First, they mail me the license plate in the mail. And I gotta get my seatbelt on, I know. And if you ever need to like leave the state to sell your car in a different state, you have to request a title. Why am I driving in circles? I obviously don't read signs very well. So I'm all good to go. I mean, registered and emissioned. So I'm going to go now to Ace Harbor, return that stuff from yesterday I ended up not needing, which will basically cover the cost of the registration. I'm going to go to the car wash, see if they found any more of my stuff. And then I have to go to CVS, pick up some prescriptions. And I think that's basically all I got to do today. I'll catch you all later. Yes, I'm getting my money's worth in the car wash. 2 days in a row now. I also got my magnet back. I found it. The other thing I forgot to mention is I did fix the problem with the back end sagging. We use some of those knuckle coil spring helpers, so now it's sitting nice and level.
Renewed medical health has to offer. In fact, we're so excited. We're going for our initial consultation.
There's some you don't see too often here. Clouds. Usually it's just blue skies. I wonder if it's going to rain or something. They don't look like, I don't know what rain clouds are. I thought the ones that were dark underneath like that were considered rain clouds.